Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to smoothen the skin in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to smoothen your skin in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Here, as you can see, subject has not really smooth skin and has some kind of rashes. Now, to get rid of that, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu. From here, select the Portrait option. Now, in the Portrait option, you can see three different options at the bottom menu. Simply click here and select the Skin Smoothing and increase it all the way to plus 100 and click here to save changes. And you can repeat the process to make your skin more smoother. And that's it. That's how you can smoothen your skin in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.